What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If it's your second time or your third time, or you're always a member of this family, thank you so much for the support, for the love, and for watching my videos from start to finish. Like, I really do appreciate. On today's video, I'm going to share with you a few things that I've learned in life and a few things that I feel like someone younger than myself should take note of. Someone who's maybe in their early 20s, someone who's in maybe a teenager and you're watching this. These things are for you. Kindly take note of them. I have my YouTube book as usual. It's right here. And I have 7 points like the days of the week. The first point is take time and know yourself. Take yourself for coffee. Spend time with yourself. Take yourself for holidays. Know your inner voice. Know what makes you happy. Take time and understand yourself. It's like dating yourself. Take time to know you before even you know any other person. Just take time to know you as early as possible. Once you do this, trust me, your life will be much more better than when you start figuring out yourself when you're older. You get, just try to learn. Know who you are. Know what makes you happy. Know what makes you sad. Know yourself. So once you know yourself, you'll be able to tackle everything easy, you know. The second point is when you're still young, take bigger risk. And this is something I know I've done throughout my life. And sometimes I look back, I'm like, I'm glad I did that, you know, like I did that. Some people usually say that sometimes I talk as if I'm 50. Yes, maybe I am not 50, but maybe in my life I've lived like someone who's been 50. I don't know, but yes, just do that. Like, just take bigger risk in life. Don't play safe at all. Like, just, it's good to fail when you're young. They say that it's good to fail when you're young, and it's also very good to take risk when you're young, when you're still alone. I'm telling you, there are people I know out here who wish they will do some things before getting even into marriages, before getting the kids and all that. I'm not saying getting kids is a bad thing, but try and take risk when you're still young, because there are times when maybe you'll want to do some things in future, and then you'll be looking back and you're like, no, I can't do this because there's someone else involved. I have to, you know, consider all these people around me. So please just take risk, bigger risk when you're still young. Yes. Third thing that I'm telling you, to this new generation, to someone younger than myself, to someone in their teenagers, is to be proactive and not passive. Don't wait for things to be brought to you. Please go for it. If you want something, go for it. If it's singing that you want, kindly, please just go for it. Start singing in church choirs. Start singing where you can, you know. Just go for what you want. Like, no one is going to bring it to you. This is something I've learned in my life, that no one will bring something to you like this. If you want something, Christine, you have to go for it. And this is something I'm telling you for free. Go for it. Don't be intimidated by anyone. Gone are the days when food used to fall from heaven, you know. Nowadays, if you want something, you have to go for it. If you want to look good, you're going to go for that goodness. I don't know. If you want to look fit, you have to go work out. Anyway, anything that you want, go for it. The fourth thing, I think I mentioned it when I was talking about taking bigger risk. The fourth thing that you need to do while you're still young is get out of your comfort zone. Yes, there is no growth in comfort. I keep repeating this on my channel over and over and over, and I'm still saying it right now. It's the fourth point on this advice that I will give you. You who's watching me, who's younger, who's a teenager, who's just starting their life, please get out of your comfort zone. There's nothing you will gain in your comfort zone. And if you've been watching this channel, or maybe you're still here and you'll still watch more stories that I'll be bringing your way, you'll get to know more about all this getting out of comfort zone and all my journey throughout, you know, just life. Yes, because you know, when you're too comfortable and you're trying to stay there, just know that time is moving. Time is not waiting for you in your comfort zone. The fifth point is invest in yourself. Invest in you. Like, you know, you. At the end of the day, if everyone else goes away, you're going to remain with you. At the end of the day, when you go to bed, it is you going to bed. So invest a lot in yourself. Educate yourself. Give yourself good stuff, like work out, give your body, treat your body nicely. Like, just invest in yourself. What you take in is what will come out, by the way. If you're feeding yourself crap, you're going to bring out crap. So if it's maybe you want to learn how to make hair, go do that. Like, just invest in doing that. If you want to do nice makeup, go do that. If you want to be smart when it comes to talking to people, like now the way I'm talking to you, read books, read, like invest Yes, just invest in yourself. I don't know why I'm laughing at that point, but yes, just invest in yourself. When you invest in yourself, it never goes to waste, because it is you. Like, just take you seriously, like take yourself seriously. The sixth point, which I feel like should have been maybe my first point, is to follow your dreams. Follow your dreams and never stop dreaming. Guys, follow your dreams and never stop dreaming, because if you stop dreaming, what are you going to do tomorrow? You get, when you've accomplished one thing, make sure that you keep dreaming. Like, even when you're working, let's say for example, practical example, I wanted to have a YouTube channel, right? And then once I have this YouTube channel, what next? What am I going to do? Once I have it, now this dream has come to pass, so what am I going to do? Keep creating and keep coming up with different things. Like, you keep on dreaming about this particular thing that you started. You get, so never stop dreaming, because when you stop dreaming and you're still living, it's like getting into a bus without knowing where you're going to alight from. You get, so just don't stop dreaming and keep dreaming, and keep always follow your dreams. Don't dream and just sit on it. Dream and action, mama, action. Like, just take the action. Don't dream and then you're just there wishing it would come true. As I said earlier on my point number 4, be proactive. Like, when you want something, go for it. No one is going to bring that dream to your hand like this. I've never heard of that, like someone just sitting and they were dreaming of having this and this, and then it was just brought to them. Follow your dreams, don't stop. Then the last point, never be intimidated by anyone. Never. Let no one intimidate you. If you're in a room, maybe you're in a meeting somewhere and you have something that you want to share, you have an idea, it doesn't matter who's in the room. Speak your point, whether it's wrong, whether it's right, just speak it out. You get, like, you will get to learn as you go. So those are the 7 points that I wanted to share with you on today's topic of advice I would give to my younger self, or my younger sister, my younger brother, anyone who's younger out there. Yes, those are the 7 points. And if you're watching this and you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. And if you like this particular video, thumbs up. And until next week on Wednesday, kisses to you.